Chris, just doing like a little review here on these fireworks I got. Been letting them off for a few days now. Looks like the old M80 has come back a little bit more powerful. It's called the Crazy King, pretty good. Then we got a medium-sized one called the Rise in the East. Torn off there, but it's Rise in the East. And then we got this one called the Aliens. We're gonna test them out inside of that caution cone or whatever you call it, and just see what they do. Okay, so the first one we're going to try is this little Crazy King, see what it does, and then we'll try the other ones. Here we go. Hold on. All right, let's see what it does. Pretty cool. All right. Now let's try the Rise in the East. Well, I guess we'll just use a cigarette lighter. Not bad for a little firecracker though, Gart. That was pretty cool, guys. All right, so now we're gonna try the medium-sized firework, which is this bad boy right here. Rise in the East. A little bit bigger, a little bit more impressive. Okay, here we go. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. That was pretty impressive. Now we're going to try the Alien. We're going to see what it does. My neighbors are over there playing music and they just stopped. They're like, what the hell is going on out there? By the way, they're really good. Aaron Lewis is the bass player. Chris is the guitarist. John is the guitarist and the singer, and Sean is the drummer. They are fantastic. Yes, Aaron, I will be sharing this on Facebook. And we're gonna let this off. Okay, I see you. Okay, here we go. Here goes the Alien. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. This is gonna be good. Oh yeah, that was amazing. All right, the Alien definitely wins. All right, guys. Anyway, that's it. I'm Chris. There's a firecracker review, and have fun watching.